evening. This is my capstone project. These are all the necessary imports which were required, and I've used the chat grok model for this. The project is basically a AI chatbot which has two tools, a web search tool and a basic RAG implementation. The RAG part works like I've given it a PDF. This is a PDF of my own. I'm using this right now. And yeah, this is the RAG pipeline. I've loaded the PDF using my PDF loader library, and I've split it into chunks, and later the embeddings model converts it into embeddings and stores it into a FIS vector store. I've used the Hugging Face model for this. This is where I define my search PDF tool, and this is my web search tool. I've used the Tavily search for this. My Tavily API is in the environments variable. And this is my model with tools, model.bind tools. Tools is a list of tools which I have given it. This is my state, and this is how my workflow looks like. So the user gives a query, it goes to the chat node. The chat node here decides whether to call a tool, or it can return the answer on itself. If it decides to call a tool, the tool will return the answer back to the chat node, and this is the iterative process till the time the LLM decides that okay, it can end the thing now. So yeah, I'll now run it. This is just a function I made to make my work easier. So if I'll test it with 3 inputs. If I give it a question, hi, I'm Aniket, so this is what it returns. And if I ask it what is machine learning, so what it should do is it should search the web and give me the answer. Now I give it the prompt, use the document and tell me what is machine learning. The PDF which I have passed to this model right now is about machine learning over here, saved on my desktop. And yeah, I'll later go on the Langsmith tracing to show this thing. Now I'll see, I've asked it 3 things. I am Aniket, what is machine learning, and use the document to tell me. So when we check on the Langsmith tracing, when I ask it what, yeah, so this is the hi, I'm Aniket, and it does not call the tool node, it answers that on itself. Then when I ask what is machine learning, we can see it called the Tavily search tool, and this is what the tool returned, and the LLM later refined it and gave us the accurate answer. Now when I ask it use the document and tell me what is machine learning, we can see it went to the vector store retriever, and the search PDF tool was called, and it gave us a different answer this time. This is how we can see it. This was all for the project. I also wanted to implement a basic front end for this, however I was facing many errors. So thank you.